Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE X95, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this phone through recovery mode. Now, before I actually get started with the process, I'm gonna quickly mention a couple of things. So this process allows you to get rid of screen locks if you have ones set that you just don't remember. But the unfortunate side of this will be that if you do this and you're also logged into a Google account, your device will become FRP locked. And what that means is when you're going through the setup of your device, it will force you to verify one of the two things. Number one would be the screen lock, or number two is the Google account. Now, assuming you don't know either of those, your device would technically become locked and you couldn't be able to use it. But I'll be making a video on how you can bypass this, even though you might not know either one of these unlocking methods. But now, jumping to this one, just gonna quickly lock the device, and you can see that I do have a pattern set, and I'll progress from the lock screen as though I don't know my pattern. So number one, we're gonna hold power key and then select power off. From there, you wanna hold power key and volume up. This will boot us into boot mode. So in here, using only volume up to navigate through the options, you want to make sure that the first option is selected, called recovery mode, and then press volume down to confirm it. Now once the device boots us into recovery mode again, using volume keys, this time around we can use both of them. You want to scroll down in order to select Wipe Data Factory Reset, and then confirm the selection using your power key. And select Factory Data Reset. It's gonna start formatting data, and then next thing you'll see is Data Wipe Complete, at which point Reboot System Now will be selected by default. So all we will need to do is just confirm that. Okay, so there we go, let's confirm it. And this will continue the reset of our device in the background. So it will take the device a little bit longer than it might normally to boot back up. But once it's finished, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is finished, and you can set up your phone however you like. Now, like I also mentioned before, if your device becomes FRP locked, I'll be making a video on how you can bypass this if that is something that you are interested in. Now, that will be in a next video, so stay tuned for that. But anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.